Numerous college students and young adult workers lack financial literacy. This part centers around monetary instruction gives that are significant for youthful grown-ups, matured 19 to 29 years of age. Youthful grown-ups, both the people who work and those signed up for post-secondary training, need monetary education, as many are progressing to a phase of monetary freedom. These youthful grown-ups are pursuing major monetary choices without precedent for their lives, as they are getting charge card applications to consider or may need to take out an understudy loan to fund their schooling. Research investigations have discovered that monetary proficiency is many times low among this blended gathering of youthful grown-ups, for example, Lusardi, Mitchell, and Curto, 2010, Shim et al., 2010. One issue is that these youthful grown-ups in this change stage who frequently need monetary information, are unpracticed in monetary business sectors, are in danger of pursuing poor monetary choices that can make expensive and enduring impacts. Key programs and resources. There are multiple ways for youthful grown-ups to get monetary schooling. Youthful grown-ups may have been presented to monetary illustrations through their folks, their bosses, or through a studio or counsel at their bank or credit association. This schooling can be general in inclusion, or well-defined for a family experience, the retirement plan of a business, or the items presented at a bank or monetary foundation. There are not many monetary schooling programs particularly intended for youthful grown-ups before they start working a task or focus on post-secondary instruction. For the people who proceed with their schooling past secondary school, school is one more way for youthful grown-ups to get monetary instruction. This training can get through a grounds monetary guide office or from enlistment in a particular course. As educational loan obligation and defaults become a developing strategy concern, and variable into school evaluations, schools are starting to execute intercessions that give guiding to educational loans. These meetings incorporate making a spending plan, choosing a significant, working out anticipated future compensations, and deciding future credit sums. These meetings can likewise encourage understudies on possible roads to increment grants and non-credit help. Note, further conversation of monetary training and understudy loans will be the focal point of the 7th part of this record. There are different monetary foundations that proposition projects or items connected with monetary training that can be utilized by understudies or by teachers in school study halls. For instance, Wells Fargo offers its hands-on banking system to an assortment of crowds, including youthful grown-ups as well as kids, teenagers, military staff, and seniors. Significant topics and literature review. One subject specifically noteworthy for youthful grown-ups is utilizing credit and overseeing obligation. Without precedent for their lives, youthful grown-ups may take out various kinds of credits for buys including such things as autos, machines, and instruction. Youthful grown-ups additionally take care of legitimate utilization of visas and for overseeing MasterCard obligation. They habitually get requesting for visa applications and hence should be instructed about legitimate utilization of a MasterCard. Not understanding how much exorbitant loan fees can increment obligation weights can be expensive. For instance, missed charge card installments can bring down one's FICO assessments, bringing about higher loan fees from here on out. Youthful grown-ups are moving out of their folks' homes and might be thinking about leasing or buying a house soon. They should be instructed while picking the ideal opportunity to change from leasing to purchasing. A home might be probably the biggest by a singular makes, and not understanding the complicated agreement can be hazardous. Youthful grown-ups face monetary choices that influence their future pay. They go after and work at positions and begin to pursue work choices that shape their professions. Decisions about marriage and family made at this phase of life change the arrangements of families and family spending plans and costs. They likewise can be worried about putting resources into additional schooling and monetary resources, and putting something aside for retirement. Given the heterogeneity across the youthful grown-up populace and the different monetary issues of concern, it's challenging to plan one-size-fits-all strategies or projects for monetary training for all youthful grown-ups that unambiguously work on their government assistance. A large number of the monetary issues that influence youthful grown-ups likewise influence more seasoned grown-ups. Appropriately, further conversation on choices in regards to homeownership, retirement, understudy loans, and monetary pudding can be tracked down in different areas of this paper.